Class 9, we were on factorization. See the now remaining part of the factorization. In first video we have done before this. Now see the remaining part of the factorization from exercise 4F. Factorize a square plus 5a plus 6. This question is based on splitting method. Splitting the middle term. How would you come to know in examinations? This question is based on splitting method. So you have to check first of all variable parts. It should be in descending order. First of all, arrange in descending order. Variable part. A is a variable here. A to the power 2, a to the power 1. Now here a to the power 0. It means a to the power 0 means 1. Powers are in descending order. Now question is in proper form. Now we can solve it. See here. First coefficient is here 1 and the last number is 6. 1 into 6 becomes 6. And now find such a factor of 6 which are giving us this middle term 5. So 3 to the 6 and 3 plus 2 becomes 5. So 3a and 2a, you will take 3a plus 2a becomes 5a. So this is the splitting method. This 5a can be written as 3a plus 2a and 3 to the 6. Positive 3 and positive 2 multiply gives us positive 6. Now take the common here. A is the common. Here 2 is the common. Again take common. A plus 3, a plus 2 will left out over here. Answer. Now see this. First of all, arrange this also in proper form. Variable power is given at last. Take it first. T square, then minus 4t, then at last plus 3. Now it is having one coefficient. Here is 3. 1 into 3 becomes again 3. See this side, rough work. Now find such a factor which are giving us this minus 4. So you will take 3 1 the 3. And 3 minus 3 and minus 3t minus 1t becomes minus 4t. And minus 3 into minus 1 gives plus 3. So these factors are correct. Minus 3t and minus 3 becomes minus 4t. Take the common now by grouping method. Minus common, sign will be changed. Again common here. T minus 3, t minus 1 will come out. Now see the question number 20. See this question. It is in proper form. Power is 2, then power is 1 and power is here 0. X square plus x is having here power 2, here 1, here 0. In such a question, first of all, you will be considered something equal to this bracket. X square plus x as suppose a. Now solve this question. A square plus 4a minus 21. Use the splitting method. 1 into 21. 1 into minus 21. Minus 21. So now we are finding the factor of minus 21. So find 7 3 21. 7a minus 3a. 7a minus 3a is a plus 4a. See the sign plus, it should be plus at last. So 7a minus 3a is a plus 4a and 7 3 is a plus 7 into minus 3 minus 21. Now take common. A as a common, minus 3 as a common. Because of minus, sign will be changed. Again take common. This is the answer. This is not a final answer. Put the original value. Original value is the x square plus x. So place of a, write x square plus x. Answer. Now see exercise 4G. It is also based on splitting method. This is 2 coefficient. This is 1. 2 into 1, 2. It is in proper form. 2 power, 1 power. Here is x to the power 0. So 2 into 1, 2. Find such a factor of 2 which are giving us 3. So 2 1 are 2 you know. So 2 plus 1, 3. Make the group. Take common. Answer. Now see 10th question. This is 12, this is 14. Multiply is 168. This is rough work. This is your rough work. This is rough work. So 12 into 14, 168. Find such a factor of 168 which are giving us 29 in plus and minus, and in multiplications they are giving us same number 168. So see here now, break the middle term, 21 and 8. 21 into 8, 168, and 21 plus 8 becomes 29. So 21 and 8 are proper factor. Minus and minus, this is minus, minus 29. Again, take common. After taking common, this will be your answer. Now see this question, 16. A plus B, bracket are same. Power is 2, power is 1, power is here 0. Let A plus B equals to X. This question is in proper form. Highest power is first. X. Now 2x square minus 5x minus 3. 2, 3 is 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 factor. Find such a factor of minus 6. 6 1 ja 6. You know minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 and minus 6 into 1 minus 6. So factors are, proper factor will be minus 6 plus x. So this will be minus 5. Same. Now 2x as a common. 2x, x minus 3 and plus 1. So this is the answer. And now put the original value. Sorry. X place of x. A plus b. Here also. Now this is the answer only. Now see the exercise 4h. In 4h, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b. In second bracket, a square plus b square minus ab. That is the formula of sum of two cubes. And this is the difference of two cube formula. So there will be two formulas in this exercise. Exercise 4h. First question, a cube plus 1. So write in this form first. A cube, 1 can be written as 1 cube. So a cube plus b cube. Use the first formula. A, this supposed to be a, this supposed to be b. A plus b, and a square plus b square minus a into b. 1 into a into 1 by first formula. This is the answer only. Now see question number 11. Again this is the question. Minus form is given. 3x whole cube you can write. This 27x cube, and 8y cube we can write 2y whole cube. Now a cube minus b cube. This is supposed to be a, this is supposed to be b. A minus b. See the second formula. This is the answer. Now see question number 20. In question number 20, a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula is here. Write the same formula here. Plus 4a minus b. What is the common in these two terms? This is first term and this is second term. So a minus b as a common. Take a minus b. What will be in first term? What will be left out in first term? A square plus b square plus ab plus 4. Answer. See the question number 24. In question number 24, this value is given a square b square. Then prove a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 as 0. Prove it. Now this we have to prove as 0. So a to the power 6 you can write a square cube. Similarly here b to the power 6 we can write b square cube. This is now in the form of a cube plus b cube. This is supposed to be a square supposed to be a and b square supposed to be b. So a plus b. See the first formula. A square plus b square in first bracket. In second bracket there will be a square. A square square a4 and b square square b4 minus this into this. Now this can be replaced. This can be replaced by a square b square. This is given. So place of this write a square b square. Now these two will be cancelled. 0 will be come out over here. Any bracket multiplied with 0 always gives 0. That is proved. So children, these are the exercises 4F, 4G and 4H. Now complete these 3 exercises. Next time I will take new topic. Thank you.